Hey folks, welcome to our tutorial on how to sharpen a video using AI. Are you tired of dealing with blurry footage or want to give your videos that extra punch of clarity? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're exploring the future of video production with a revolutionary tool that can transform your content to higher visual quality. Now download and install VideoProc Converter AI with the link in the comments section. It's a feature-rich video processing program now supercharged with AI models. Open VideoProc Converter AI. Click Super Resolution. Drag and drop one or multiple videos to it. Now you have two options to sharpen the video. If you don't want to change its original resolution, click this option. It will enhance the existing pixels and make it clear. If your video looks blurry due to low resolution, like 360p or 480p, choose a scale here. It will make it sharper by adding more pixels. Next, choose the type of your video here. This is going to activate different AI models to sharpen the footage. Here I keep the reality option. Now you can compare the result in the preview window. Finally, choose an output format and file folder. Click the Run button to export. Now the texture of the leaves looks clearer. That's all for today. Hope you get it done with ease. If you have any questions or need specific tips, tell us in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. See you in the next video.